Wagwan people, blessings and honor upon the Tuesday. I want to know the flame how it go. I have some interesting topics coming up. I go and show you the preview. Flame them and shame them. I see flame to na man a be a kusha kasha.
Usain Bolt's world record has been broken.
Bumbo clot, you know, we are not pressure.
Everybody afraid of Serous because they don't know who Serous is.
You see right now, I'm vexing a brother.
Jamaican a response for the wheelchair community, mentally and physically. You understand me I say?
You see that happen? That a go on nowhere
in your community.
Who can rely upon the government?
Batty whole music gonna keep a blood clot play. Nah, gonna blood clot way. You nah go pan on more European blood clot tour.
Shut up your mouth, man.
So me I go tell you no. But cartel youth them. Because I go a good school, you know. I never get no money if you go a good top school. You see me I say? So me shouldn't even tell you no this.
Find out to Ras clot or this something them want top talk on the pussy blood clot foolish.
You don't know it's your girl Posh Morris. I'm representing for Tell You TV. Come check out the latest in entertainment news.
So people, check this out. I come across a viral video where I circulate social media with Jaboni. Jaboni abon out the nowadays artists them and also the old school artists them. Jaboni make we know say, oi, you know see what go on about here. The music dead. Artists we used to run the place and tour, but then them not tour again, you know. Them have to keep them own shows. What a kushukasha. People, the man said the man them have to keep shows like Boombox and them little thing, the free show. Boy, oh boy. Jaboni a chat up a crocus bag of things. Me gonna stop talk. So people, let me know in the comment section if you agree with what I say, or feel free to let me know if you disagree, though.
Batty whole music gonna keep a blood clot play. Nah, gonna blood clot way. You nah go pan on more European blood clot tour. Europe done with you know. You have to know this blood clot. All it's all of them now up there Boombox and give free show now. And that on a blood clot come to. Yeah. You got ton poppy show over the world and the whole blood clot world now can do it now do it and do it blood clot better. And done up the whole blood clot thing and a post the whole and just play and joke it out. Dance all and all reggae music done. Nobody know why you hear no blood clot reggae again. Music done. So you can go and bow now Boombox and this. Me there watch for so a compound tour now. Nobody now come on no blood clot tour. Nobody know why hear nothing from you again. And that on a blood clot though. You never blood clot but look on the drawing board and see what with the blood clot set. If you don't want to know where I go on right now, go up on my blood clot podcast and go hear the true reality and sing about that blood clot now and see how the thing change. And that we are do, a change we take back our blood clot thing. So all who look for some white boy to come call him and put him up on tour, that done.
People, I come across a viral video where I trend on social media with recording dancehall artist Rygin King and Walk and Talk. Basically, it was a live, you know. Anyhow, Rygin King, I make the people them know say he might go help back some people from Jamaica. The people them who cripple up on them thing they and can't walk and can't afford a wheelchair. You see what I say? It's a good look. Me nah go around the thing. People, I'm gonna run the video. Talk to me in the comment section how you feel about the situation. Rygin King, I love the move here. Definitely 100%. Big up yourself and just continue. Do your music. Believe in a God. Send up the prayers them and trust and believe you're going to walk back.
Idea and Jamaica do not have them Jamaican a response for the wheelchair community, mentally and physically. You understand me I say?
Yeah, father.
Yeah, so you don't know. Me reaching a situation as an artist where me is a public figure. Is what I don't know say only more people out there go through the same thing. Is it me? Yeah, so me there me I say yo, we want to give to the cause. Is what me I say?
Yeah.
So bro, spread the word. Anything we can do to make this happen, this will go happen.
I love that. I'm a father, man. You don't know.
Yeah. Promote movements and make them see it, is it me?
Yeah, so like people who like what can't like what some man I feel walk with a cook stick like
yeah.
You give them a wheelchair or something.
Yo, what I know you have people around there were born certain way with them never walk yet. And what me tell you, yesterday I learned so much things, bro, by going on my TikTok live and about 10 somebody in a wheelchair, bro. Me and them there on the live and Me and them a reason and them a tell me something, bro. I mean, I show you say, oh, some people born down there without mobility, and if we can make them, not even if, them need a mobile wheelchair, something where they can sit up and drive, you know what I mean? And you have some people now where them need a wheelchair where them can push. You see what I say? Go up on the front. You know some town man, brother, they want to go up on the front and chill with them dog. You know them until they're ready to go back in for the
boy walk on him hand, you know. Boy walk on him hand every night. They call him ground God. He walk on him hand every night.
Alright, yeah, that. You see the youth walk on him hand, and the whole of them see that and them take that. I better see them see that and a video him instead of them look on him and say, yo, watch you know, him need a mobile wheelchair to move.
You know what I mean, right?
Him dep on him hand because him have to.
You know what I mean?
You see me?
Him not on a foot, you know what I mean?
No, I don't know we are that.
Come up on the phone, I could call. He walk on him on a night time. So what they see what here? If literally pull a water and give him, brother, the man said, "Your chest a kill me. Why can't I'm just a kill me?" I said, "What you that?" And brother right run to a water dog and pull the water and give him. Killer give him a wheelchair, killer give him a wheelchair and you know give him the some of the one, him give the one of him him hand. Come here him reason him say more one of them can move so.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need that. But big up killer to do that same.
Big up one big killer. Yeah.
You know what I say? Yeah, you don't know. Killer see that and say you're alright. You see me?
Yeah.
It's GD. So
real way, man.
That is a step. You see what I say? Yeah, brother. So yo, you don't know. I just with the right now.
So people, me see a video with a TikTok blogger attack up the things them. The man a say a lot of people afraid of Sir P, afraid to call Sir P name, but him don't afraid to call Sir P name because him know who is Sir P. What a kusha kasha. Anyhow, me gonna stop talking. I'm gonna run the video. You, the viewers, talk to me in the comment section about this situation. And please, like up the video, share the video. If you is a new viewer to this channel, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. That simply mean whenever I drop a new video, you know I go get notified. And around here, I be a topics, you know. You know the flame how it go, be a kusha kasha.
Everybody for the Sir P, because they don't know who Sir P is. Everybody for the call Sir P name, because they don't know who Sir P is. But let me tell you something. One enemy me have and a Satan. I'm going to devil my enemies, but I know enemies. And you see, everybody will have their enemies. Everybody will have their enemies. Then send information, go give Sir P next, and then the Sir P just break them down. Let me see this thing set up. Everybody will have their enemies, then they send Sir P information. And they say done. You just start hear everything about your enemies. You just start to hear everything about your enemies. Sir P, you know if it goes so or not go so, you know. But him talk it, make it look like it goes so. Because when your enemy want to tear you down, you know, you just use anything or anybody and tear you down, you know. Anytime your enemy want to tear you down, you use anything or anybody tear you down. And if you don't go so, people are going to say it goes so.
Jamaican 16-year-old male athlete Bramwell, the man broke Usain Bolt under 16 400-meter record. Big up yourself in a Bramwell in a real life. People, me need some love and respect in the comment section for Bramwell because he's a Jamaican broke Usain Bolt 400 under 16 record, you know. Yeah, it could be somebody else from a different country, but is we Jamaicans are broke with one another record, just like how Usain Bolt did broke a Safa Powell record and everybody did happy and proud. Make we see some love and respect right about now for Bramwell in a real life.
Usain Bolt's world record has been broken. A 16-year-old Jamaican sprinting sensation has taken out the 8-time Olympic champion's under-17 400-meter record at the 51st Carifta Games. Nikakoy Bramwell put his name on the map with an extraordinary performance to take out the 22-year-old record held by Bolt. The 3-time world record holder clocked 47.33 seconds back in 2002 at the 31st instalment of the Games. However, that was beaten by Bramwell at Kirani James Athletics Stadium in Grenada as he stunned fans by recording a time of 47.26 seconds.
So people, a TikTok blogger who goes by the name of Drama Kid have an important message for Vybz Kartel. You them. Yeah man. Now I'm going to run the video. Viewers, let me know in the comment section if you respect what Drama Kid has said towards Vybz Kartel son them. Yeah man, not just Vybz Kartel son. Me should have said Kartel you them, because Kartel have girl and him have boy. Don't. Anyhow people, wanna big up on yourself. You know, once I watch the video from start to the finish, drop some fire flames in the comment section. Big up on yourself, you know, we'll catch you in our next video. You know the flame, how it go flame them and shame them and be a kusha kasha.
Bob Marley pitney them. Yes, Bob Marley children them. Used to see people wear Bob Marley shirts all over the world and them not earn from it. You know what I mean? And them know say Bob Marley is an icon. So them a say, alright, them a go put a stop to it. No more person can sell a Bob Marley shirt with him picture upon it. You know what I mean? Without them, I get something from it. It's called intellectual property rights. So me I go tell you no, Bob Kartel youth them. Because I don't go to good school, you know. I never get no money if you go to good top school. You see me I say? So me shouldn't even tell you this. But this is beneficial to the whole music industry in Jamaica. You see me I say? So, uno father help water down in brand by doing certain collabs. Because when you have a name like Vybz Kartel, you should not collab with anybody. But me understand that it's just to keep relevant. So we are going to give that a pass. But me I say no. We see all this guy, they are Africa, they are Kenya. He might make a load of, you know what I mean, gifts and all of that from Vybz Kartel, name, everything, sound, everything. Big up my black brother, you find a way to make certain things, you know what I mean, work without turning into crime. But still, like how you have so much followers right now, me feel like so you can add your own little thing to it. You see me? Add your own little thing, man. You don't have to be full cartel. You see me I say? So that me I talk about. A lot of copycats are out there earning from the brand, watering down the brand. So I don't know if you know still, you know, because I don't really speak for Kartel and Ray.
You don't know it's your girl Posh Morris. I'm representing for Tell You TV. Come check out the latest in entertainment news.